Welcome to my channel. Today, I'm visiting the Harry Potter Warner Bros. Studio tour Tokyo to experience Hogwarts in the Snow, a magical Christmas event held in Japan for the first time. Let's explore together in this vlog. It's a Saturday evening just before Christmas. There's a decent crowd, but it's not as packed as Disneyland. As you enter the entrance, you'll find a restaurant and a cafe designed to look like the Great Hall. I meet up with my friend and we start by satisfying our small cravings with some sweets. There are lots of colorful and Instagram-worthy sweets. I tried the Philosopher's Stone tiramisu and a chocolate cake. Now, it's time to start the studio tour. We begin by watching an introduction and I head straight to the Great Hall. めっちゃ綺麗じゃん。めっちゃ綺麗。Oh my god. Oh my god. My future house one day. Wow. にみんな行ってもらおう。ゆっくり。彼はもう自由だ。自由だね、ここから。あ、ほら見て。わあ。率いる特殊効果チームが映像に書き加えました。その魔女とは反対に映画の中に The Great Hall is beautifully decorated for Christmas, with tables filled with delicious-looking food. This is a moving staircase area, a popular spot for photos.
Amazing, beautiful, perfect. Yeah. We filmed ourselves and turned into paintings. We got some really great photos. Your home time.
So far over there is so much more good.
This is a Quidditch viewing experience booth. It really makes you feel like a Hogwarts student. The Room of Requirement set. I wish I could train defense against the dark arts here too. The pensive, it's so well recreated. Dumbledore's office. You can create your own original Death Eater mask. 作ってみよう。マスクの方？どこで？どこに？え？あ、すごいすごいすごい。なるほど。これは何だったっけ？覚えてない。見落としてたかもしれない。
レースイーターだ。全員レースイーターだ。
レースイーターになったぞ。We also attended a potions class. The mirror of Erised had a line. We've arrived at the library. Of course, we're not really studying in the library, right? We ended up running into who. We have to go to the Forbidden Forest. If we're brave Gryffindors, that is.
Adventure.
Adventure time. I don't remember the name of the forest.
なんだっけ。
でもあれ、ハグリッドが行くなっていうやつ。
You can have fun creating your own Patronus. It's a Aragog, so scary.
うわー、なんか。うわー。
Hagrid, is that you? Hagrid has never sent men into a hollow before. Go. I think not. My sons and daughters.
It's dinner time at a restaurant located midway through the studio tour. The Backlot Cafe is a restaurant designed to look like the greenhouse used in herbology. They also sell butterbeer outside. I ordered the Marauders maps to buy.
なんか iPhone の写真を MacBook
It looks absolutely delicious.
Smile.
That was really yummy.
ちなみに
でね、私が一番好きなところは、あれだよね、ミニストリーのところだよね。で、そこも人が少ないから、時間だと。
ここ楽しいよね。
This is a Dursley house. You can get a close-up view of the scene from the third movie, Harry Potter and the Prisoner of Azkaban, where Aunt Marge inflates. The messy kitchen and unwashed dishes are incredibly realistic. The cupboard under the stairs where Harry used to sleep has some subtle Christmas decorations. One of the highlights, the Hogwarts bridge, is a must for fathers. At night, it's beautifully lit up, making for some amazing photos. The night bus was impressive too.
もう結構小さい方だよね。
子供用の
Everyone's favorite, the platform 9 and 3/4 area. Isn't it everyone's dream to go to Hogwarts? You can even step inside the train and experience it. 9時に終了だって。ショップ。They also have exclusive merchandise available only at this shop.
I love that part. Ministry of Magic. Ministry of Magic. これでしょ？これ。
We tried the experience of commuting via fruit powder. Here's the finished footage. Wow, amazing. The statues and the rooms from the movies were faithfully recreated. Hi there, Dolby.
The design sketch is then made for 3 years before we start filming. And this one,
You can try the broomstick riding experience, but this time we skip it since there was a line. Near the end of the tour, you get to see Diagon Alley.
I tried to come and pick my money, but the bank is closed right now. So I have zero money with me.
I'm so sorry.
Ring God's bank. Yes. So much stuff. I love this area.
We are finally here.
Areas, yes.
あれいつまで使ってんの？割れた。
なんか途中で新しくなるよね、確か。You can buy a new one.
買うか。
買おう。One shop.
Wait, did you buy your wand here too?
Uniba.
Ah, Univa. Okay.
And finally, the highlight of this Hogwarts in the Snow event, the snow-covered model of Hogwarts. The castle dusted with powdery snow was magical and absolutely breathtaking. After passing through the Hogwarts castle area, there's a gift shop. We wrapped up the door by enjoying some shopping. Thanks for joining me on this magical journey through the Harry Potter Warner Bros. Studio Tour Tokyo. I hope you enjoyed exploring Hogwarts in the snow with me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more adventures in Japan. See you in the next video.